Welcome to the St. Paul's Celebration Assembly with your host, Miss Blake.
Good morning everybody and welcome to this week's special assembly. Thank you to everyone for all of your hard work that you're doing at home, and thank you to all of the parents that are helping with their children's work. We really appreciate all that you do. So, over to the nominations, and I will start with nursery. First, I have chosen Jacob for his lovely weather picture. You've included all of the different types of weather, so well done. And secondly, to Ava for setting out some really important rules for her family while we are all in lockdown. Great work everybody, and well done. So take care, and now over to Mrs. Wright.
Thank you, Miss Blake. Hello, butterflies. I hope you're all well this week. The Cyclic Achievement for this week goes to the first one, Yusuf, for making a beautiful collage on purple mash, and he was able to use 3D paint to draw a lovely picture of what he would think it looks like in summer. And the next one goes to Kyson for working so hard in his handwriting, also working so hard on his maths. He can now memorise his 2s and his 5s and his 10 times table. Well done. And the last one goes to Joelle for working so well at home on purple mash and was able to follow all instructions with just a little bit of help. Bye butterflies, I hope to see you soon. Over to you, Miss Ali.
Thank you, Miss Wright. Hello everyone and welcome to another special assembly. This week's nominations are for Brian for his beautiful letter that he wrote to his friend Peter. Your letter was very thoughtful, Brian, and I'm sure Peter is missing you too. The next person is Peter for his lovely picture of his dream playground. Peter, you had lots of interesting things in the playground, including a TV. That's all for this week, and I will see you all next week. And over to Mr. Thompson. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Ali. Now on to Year 2. Year 2, you've been working hard again this week. 2 special mentions to tell you about. Ryan, first of all. Ryan created a wonderfully helpful robot called the Ryan 2000. It was so interesting to hear all about the fantastic things that the Ryan 2000 does to help your family, Ryan. Well done. Secondly, we have Ibrahim. Ibrahim, you have done some incredibly thoughtful work. You wrote about your dad because you asked him lots of questions, but I particularly enjoyed your acrostic poem about your mum. I imagine she must have really enjoyed reading that. So well done to you, well done to Ryan, and well done to the rest of Year 2. Keep up the good work. On to you, Mr. Kirsch.
Well, thank you, Mr. Thompson, and good morning, St. Paul's. It's so good to be with you all on this Tuesday morning to celebrate the effort and learning that all of you have been doing at home. And this week, I'd like to nominate 2 children who have recently become more active on Purple Mash. This week, I'd like to firstly celebrate the work of Mariam Hussein, who with support has written a lovely description or comparison of toys of the past and toys of the present. And second, I'd like to celebrate the work of Sadi, who has written a great piece of writing about how he has grown and changed from a baby until now. And next week, I look forward to being with you again and celebrating some other learning. Please keep up the hard work, everyone, and well done again to Mariam and Sadi. And now I hand over to Mr. John.
Thank you, Mr. Kirsch, and good morning, St. Paul's. I hope you are all well. For Year 4 today, we have 2 incredible pieces of work for significant achievements, and they are from Ariane and from Milan. Both boys created a fantastic poster on the human body and went into a lot of detail with the drawings of the different organs, the veins, arteries and bones, as well as giving in-depth descriptions of the different organs. Boys, this is a fantastic piece of work. I really appreciate the effort you're putting in. Well done. Over to you, Miss O'Reilly.
Thank you, Mr. John. Hello, Year 5. I hope you're all happy and well. I really miss you all, but I've really been enjoying our phone calls, your emails, and your messages on Purple Mash. This week for the significant achievements, I have got Mary Mohammed for her really catchy and fun song that she made on Purple Mash using the Busy Beats app, which you all did really well with. And finally, Sahand for the really thoughtful and descriptive piece she wrote about your favourite place, your city in Iraq called Sulaymaniyah, and I really hope I get to go there one day myself and see its beauty for myself. I hope you have a great rest of the week. Now for Mr. Bowflower.
Hello, Year 6. Thank you very much, Miss O'Reilly. So, for Year 6 this week, I've got to choose 2 nominations for who's done some outstanding and brilliant work. Tough choices ever, but I've gone number 1 with Maisha. Maisha did some excellent work about how to avoid getting spam emails and how you should reply or not reply to what happens. And the second person I'm nominating is Sima. Sima did some great offline work all about designing her perfect classroom. So you'll see a little description that she wrote. So well done, guys. Keep up the good work. And obviously I'll be seeing some Year 6 pupils in person. And for the rest of you, keep working hard online and I hope to see you all soon. Take care, and now for the prayer.
Dear God, you are my shepherd. You give me all I need. You take me where the grass grows green. I can safely feed. Amen.